I'm Ted. We're here in Thailand doing some warm weather trekking, and I thought I'll show you the backpacks that we have with us on this adventure. First up, we have the Kaipak 38. It's simple and robust and really gets the job done. That's what I really like about this pack. You got a fixed back length for the carrying system, and it's made of G1000 heavy duty Eco. So here you can see the fixed back on the Kaipak 38. Next up, we have the Keb 52. I really like this one because you have a lot of openings and the adjustable carrying system. You can open it from the top, from the side, and you got a secondary pocket as well. And here you can see the adjustable back on the Keb 52. Also, you get the wooden frame. Last but not least, we have the Orbisco Friluft 35. This one also has openings on the side and on the back here. You get from the top. And this one you can open all the way up so you get a clear view of everything that you brought with you. Another really great feature about this one is the back panel that's made out of mesh, so you get a lot of airflow going through your back when you're hiking and it's really warm. Really appreciate that feature. And here we have the mesh from the Orbisco Friluft. So these are just 3 examples of backpacks that we brought with us. Obviously there's a lot more to choose from. It all depends on the type of adventure that you're going to do and the situation that you're in, if you're in a colder environment or warmer, and what type of trekking you're going to do. The Friluft, I would use it for a 1 or 2 day adventure. Maybe even if you're staying in a cabin, you could use this one in a warmer climate as well. The Keb comes in 2 sizes. You got the 52 and the 72. This is adjustable and it's meant to be used in all year around. So this one would go for a multi-day adventure all year around. So it's really good with that. The Kaipak also comes in different sizes. This one is the smaller version. So I would use this for 1 day, maybe even 2 days in a warmer climate as well. Of course, there's many different backpacks to choose from. It all depends on what kind of adventure you're doing. And with that, we're good to go.